my super babies, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing this Domino's pizza challenge. I've been seeing these videos, like I'm addicted to these videos from quite some time, and today I am geared to do it. Now, there's a reason why I'm doing this today. I actually didn't get a chance to celebrate my 1 lakh super baby. So I'm like, today I'll do this challenge and I guess it's going to be interesting. But before that, please subscribe to my channel. And yes, in future I'm planning to do like these mukbangs and eating challenges. Like, let's see. But not on this channel. It will be on my other channel, that is Priyanka George Vlogs. So yes, don't forget to go there and subscribe to my channel there. And don't forget to hit on that bell out there too, so that you get notified as soon as I upload a video. So yeah, I've got 2 pizzas today, but I'm not going to be eating 2. I'm going to be eating 1, hopefully. And yes, let me just tell you what are the ones I ordered, because I'm going to be making it into half and keeping the remaining half for my family. So, big talks. Let's just do this as fast as possible. But what did I order? I ordered the chicken Dominator. This is the new hand toast medium pizza, which has peri-peri chicken, chicken tikka, and even grilled chicken rasher. I even ordered the non-veg supreme, which was a medium, and new hand toast. And it has black olives, onions, capsicum, grilled mushroom, peri-peri chicken, chicken rashers, and pepper barbecue chicken. Now there was this offer going on today, that's why I ordered both of them. I got it for 419 Indian rupees. So yes, let's begin. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make it into half of new supreme and half the chicken Dominator. So yeah, let's do that. These are the seasonings. I've even kept tissue papers ready. Oh my god, it looks so good. And guys, I've not eaten a Domino's pizza from quite some time. And let me tell you, I'm super hungry right now. And let me even tell you that I am dying to eat this. So I just divided it into half chicken Dominator, and then the other half the new supreme chicken, I guess. So now I need seasonings because I love it. So this is the chili flakes. I think I put too much of it. Yeah. Oh my god, it smells divine. Some oregano. Yippee. So now I'll just take some pictures and I'll get back, and then I'll start with the challenge. So babies, really hungry. Before that, I'm just drinking a little water. I'm really excited. Let me get in between. Don't know how it's gonna be, but right now I'm so hungry that I might just do it. It smells good. So you guys just need to trust me on this. By the way, I'm starting it now and I off it. I'll show it to you guys. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I need a bigger table next time. So 1, 2, 3. Oh. Oh. It's thick, the base. I'm sweating in Ooty. Very delicious. I'm actually relishing it instead of doing the challenge. Mm. I thought I was some pelvan and I would do it. I can do it, but not fast, I think. Trust me, it's super tasty. 2 minutes over. Mmm. Kinda spicy. My jaws are paining. 3 minutes over. My friend told me I'll take 15 minutes. I hope not. Mmm. The bread is very thick. I should have taken thin crust for my first time at least. I can eat it, but आराम से. 4 minutes over. I'm not even got done with 3 slices. 3 slices done in like 4:34. Fourth slice. 5 minutes done. Really tasty. This is the last slice I can eat, guys. Failed challenge. Next time I'll prepare myself better. I should get a thin crust. This is really fat. 6:44. I'm done. I can eat, but I'm a little scared. I can fall sick. I know I'm not meant for this challenge, but I wanted to try it. Please hit a like for my efforts. Later. I don't know how I ate the fourth slice also. Really tasty, guys. Super tasty. And I have this habit of not drinking water in between my meals. So that's why I couldn't even drink it. That's what my dad has always taught us from bachpan se, not to drink water in between meals. That's why I didn't drink. Failed challenge. I wanted to do it. My friend told me, my bestie told me, 12 minutes, 15 minutes enough. Yeah, I might, but I can't. Sorry, guys. Maybe next time a little smaller in size and thin crust. Thick crust. Whew. So yes, what I wanted to tell you, which I didn't tell you in the starting, is thank you so much for all that super support you guys give me. Seriously, it means a lot. It means a lot. Because of you, I feel so charged up, so happy every day I get up. Yes, there's no day that has been sad. And even if it has been sad, I know that if I make a video for you babies, I'll be really, really happy. I'll be busy. Excuse me. I'll be really, really busy. I'll be happy. Even doing this challenge, I knew I wouldn't be able to do it. But there was this, inner feeling which said, yes, you can do it. But then I didn't know the crust would be so thick. I thought it would be thin. Next time I'll try it with a thinner crust and I'll bring in someone with me so I'll get motivated to beat that person. So that's all I wanted to say. Thank you so much for the super support. And yes, I need the support even on my daily vlogging channel. That is Priyanka George Vlogs. If you could guys, subscribe and help me out there too. I'll be really, really happy. I'm going to do more challenges out there. Even if it's going to be a fail, I am going to try. Please hit a like, guys. Comment below how did you find this challenge. And if you can do it, please record and tag me. I'll be really, really happy to watch you complete the 6 slices. Like if you can do it, I'm really, really happy. If I could challenge someone, I would love to challenge Sonakshi Dhawan. You are also a new YouTuber and I wish you get regular with your videos. And yes, you can by just doing this challenge. It might motivate you. So do this challenge, baby, and let me know. Tag me. I've already subscribed to your channel, so yeah, I'll get notified. But still, just let me know. I'll be happy. So I challenge Sonakshi Dhawan. If anyone else wants to challenge themselves, please let me know in the comments below and do it, babies. So yeah, I think I am very happy today because I ate Domino's pizza after so long and it has given me too much of pleasure that I might just go to sleep. But no, I'll edit this vlog. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you so much, so much, so much again for all that support you guys give me. You babies are my life. Like seriously, if I go to say in like short words, you babies are my life, my happiness, and just everything. Yeah. So yeah, see you later in another video very soon.